Hey, Naylor here, and today I've got another free PowerPoint video template for you. This has some really nice slides that you can use individually as title clips or string together, like in this sample, to make a nice little slideshow. Just click the link below to get your copy and then follow along with me in this tutorial as I show you how to modify it. This comes from the SocioTuber Collection from Videoowide, and it's a very nice collection of YouTube assets that we can use, all created just using PowerPoint. Be sure to check them all out at the link below. Unzip the freebie file, and inside will be everything you need to get started. There's a sample video of the final product. It uses a special font called Janda Manatee. Unzip and install the font if you don't already have it. And then there's also the PowerPoint file. Let's go ahead and open this up and get started. The first time you open it up, there'll be an Enable Editing button here. Let's click that. And then the first thing I do is go to File, Save As, browse to a location on your hard drive, and save this with a different name. You don't want to mess up your master copy. This slide deck has 5 slides. You can use them all if you like, or just pick one and modify it as something like a title clip. Let's click the star icon here and preview the animation. Very nice. To modify it, you can click on any object on the slide, go to Format, and let's open the selection pane. This shows us all the stuff that's on the slide in their various layers. First thing we'll probably want to modify is this picture. And you'll notice that it's down here at the bottom, Picture Placeholder, which basically means that it's a piece of smart art. To replace this with it selected in the selection pane, I'm just going to press the Delete key. Click the icon to go add a picture. And since we deleted it, we need to make sure that we again move it back down to its original position at the bottom. Now you might notice that this image is in full contrast and in full color, whereas the samples here have this nice little coloration to them. This is a neat effect. It's not absolutely necessary, but I'm going to click on the image, then go to Format, Color, and play around with using some of the different color combinations. Rather interesting effect. For the text, you just double click it and modify it any way you want. If you need to move stuff around, that's okay too. And that's pretty much it for modifying the slides. Just repeat that for as many of them as you want to do. And one other nice thing about this slide deck is that if we open up the animation pane, we'll see that it doesn't have a bunch of exit animations. Exit animations make it kind of hard to time the slide, in other words, how long it stays on screen. But for this slide deck, all I need to do to make things last longer is go to Transitions, and over here, just set the number of seconds that I want to be spent on each slide. So I'm going to change this to like 6 seconds. And if you like, you can also click Apply to All, and that will set the duration of each slide to 6 seconds. When you're finished making your modifications, just go to File, Export, Create Video, set the seconds spent on each slide to 0, Create Video. And because of a known glitch in PowerPoint, I usually don't save as MPEG-4, but rather drop the list down here and choose Windows Media File. Click Save, and PowerPoint will render out your video. Again, a really good job done by the folks at Videoowide. If you'd like to check them all out, I have a special bonus page for you. Click the link, check out all the details with everything that you'll get. Like I mentioned, this is specifically to help with your YouTube channel, so there's lots of great assets for that. Openers, logo reveals, end screen templates, thumbnails, very handy stuff. And like I mentioned, I've also got special bonuses for you, a bunch of extra templates, assets like buttons, and also some nice PowerPoint resources that come with private label rights. meaning you can sell them or use them any way you want. And those will all be delivered for you right on your download pages. And thanks for watching. Enjoy, and go check out SocioTuber today.